how to do and where to find this viral Add Your sticker. Before 2022 ends, write me a small message, Instagram chain story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel, welcome to World of Apps. So first of all, you will have to go to your Instagram app and then click on the search icon and search for Ali and John YTT. Once you get here, you will have to go to December Add Yours at Highlights, which is here. And then you have to tap until you find your desired sticker. You can also check my other viral trends if you like. And if the highlights are not loading, you can check the description box below because right there I have a YouTube tutorial that will definitely help you with this problem. So make sure to click on that. Now click on the Add Yours button. And also, if you are not able to click on the Add Yours button, I have a tutorial in the description box below. So now you just have to go to your uploads and choose a background photo. I will go with this one right here. Now you can place your sticker where you want. And then the sticker says, write me a small message. So we will have to go to stickers from the top of the screen. And then you have to click on questions. Then go back. You can make this smaller, place it where you want. You can also add your NGL link here if you want, but the messages will be private, anonymous. So now you can just share this with your friends. So guys, if you like this video, you can subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification bell because I'm posting every day tutorials like this one. You can also like this video if it was useful and comment in the comment section down below with your questions. If you like this, add your sticker, and if you have some problems, I will answer to them as quickly as possible. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.